Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Coffee and Cards with Michelle. My name is Michelle Zanovich, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I'm crafting with you every morning during isolation at 8 a.m., and we are talking this week about the outgoing in colors. That's kind of hard to say, isn't it? The outgoing in colors. Anyway, so the 2018-2020 in colors are retiring this spring, and those include Lovely Lipstick, which is what we're going to be showcasing today, along with the Dressed to Impress and Best Dressed Designer Series paper. So last night I had my March club. I know everything's off, right? Nobody knows what day it is. Nobody knows what month it is. So March's club was just a few days late, and we had to get together and do our live crafting. And last night we made some beautiful under my umbrella cards and using the floral patterns, from the Best Dressed Designer Series paper. Well, this morning we're going all out, and I needed something to feel good about. So I grabbed this paper. I don't know about you, but my inbox is flooded with DSW ads right now, okay? Apparently shoes will make us feel better, so let's make some shoes. Life is short, buy the shoes. All right, so we're gonna make this card, but we're gonna turn it the other way. It's super fun, it's super simple. And it's just the kind of card that I need on a Wednesday morning. So I have a piece of Whisper White thick cardstock that measures 4 1/4 by 11. All the directions and measurements can be found over on my blog later at www.makingmemorieswithmichelle.com. And sorry, something popped up in my feed. I wanted to see what that was. So, sticky. Then I have a piece of a Lovely Lipstick, which measures 5 1/8 by 3 7/8. Paper, which measures 5 by 3 3/4. And this time we're going to make it on the horizontal. So, the Best Dressed Designer Series paper comes in a 6 by 6 stack, so you get lots of choices, making it rather difficult, in my opinion, as to which piece you want to use. Now, this is going to go right on here like so. And I like to be able to change up the direction of my cards. It just adds something fun when you're crafting, and you can do this same design just in a different way. So I'm using photopolymer stamps, so I have my Stampin' Pierce mat, and I have my Tuxedo Black. And I'm just going to stamp my sentiment right here. I'm going to put it over here on the right. And I have a piece of Lovely Lipstick. Now, we're going to put this right across here. So this measures 1 inch by 5 3/4, and then I just took an 1/8 inch off of there. So okay. And then I'm just going to place some dimensionals on the back. Good morning, Michelle. Good morning, Debbie. It's good to see everybody this morning. Okay, and line that up. Next, I have my little high-heeled shoe here, and I'm going to stamp that in Tuxedo Black because we're going to color it with our lovely lipstick blends. So I have light lovely lipstick and dark lovely lipstick, and then I also have my light flirty flamingo, and I'm going to actually take that one first, and on the instep of this shoe I'm going to color that lightly with that light flirty flamingo right there. Now with the light lovely lipstick I'm going to color the inside of our shoe. Oh, and then I'm going to also color the heel with the light one. And then taking your dark, we're going to color the outside. So these are some magnificent shoes. First of all, you're going to just exude confidence if you were wearing this shade, right? Does anybody have shoes this color? I used to have the most spectacular, bright, fire engine red heels. I wore them for jazz choir in high school. Oh, and I had those shoes forever. They just made me feel bold and beautiful and, I don't know, I had them for years. There is a die that cuts this out, but through the magic here, I'm going to take some of my miniature dimensionals, just pop them on the back. Honestly. Okay. And then remember on Monday I had these little gems. I love these. Okay. And I'm just going to add a few. Let's see. I love these. Okay. Sweet and simple. And you know what else we could do? Let's take that, and I'm going to wipe that off on my chamois. And let's stamp it in lovely lipstick. On the inside. Just to add a little something. Life is short. Buy the shoes. It is a great reminder. Okay? We need to feel good. We need to feel good about ourselves. Go out, even if you're home. Slip on a pair of your favorite shoes. I promise you'll feel better. Stay inside, stay safe, stay crafting. I will see you tomorrow morning right here at 8 o'clock. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.